The Ramakrishna Mission Vivekananda Cultural Center, Shillong, on Friday observed the National Youth Day to mark the birthday of Swami Vivekananda by organizing blood donation and cultural programs. Addressing the gathering, the Director of National Institute of Technology, Professor Pinakeswar Mahanta, said Ramakrishna Mission excels in bringing up the youth. They open up the eyes to intermingle with one another and to feel like they are brothers. He also said that the theme of the National Youth Day is Youth for Digital India. Through this digital era, lots of transformation will take place. A lot of jobs and investment is required to uplift the youth, but inner feelings are losing ground if we look in and around us.
We have a fleet of young minds, which other countries are not having. If you go to Japan and all, the number of average age of the people is 90 years, but their old generation is more prepared. But we have a workforce, and the country has immense potential to boost it up its knowledge economy and become more with the help of its youth forces.